Of course I like PSLs. Does a snake drag its family jewels on the ground? Smash the like button, let me know what you like about fall, baby. Oh, that's nice. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Woodness Goodness. It is an absolute beautiful fall day out, which means it's starting to get colder out, which also means it's time to get this mini split Mr. Cool system installed. It probably would have made more sense to have it working throughout the summer, but didn't spend enough time on the inside of the cabin during the hottest times where it felt like I needed it. So anyhow, I'm gonna bring the external unit out here first because I wanna see how it's gonna shape up, and then we're gonna go on the inside and install the inside one. If you're here because you think this is the video to help explain how to perfectly install a Mr. Cool DIY mini split system, this is probably not the video for you. Welcome to Woodness Goodness. My name is Graham, and I make mistakes and we overcome them together. So let's get after it, shall we? Ooh. Uh-oh, I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. What the heck? You get out of here. That's not a handle, is it? I don't think that's a handle. Oh, you kidding me? Okay. Oh, there's bugs everywhere. I hate mosquitoes. This thing is way smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Look at how skinny it is. Nah, but with Mr. Cool DIY, and they didn't sponsor me, I even reached out. Obviously, if they knew who I was, you know, and they just knew how incredibly cool I was, they'd realize it would be on brand to have me. But anyhow, they give you this handy dandy little template. You just see where it can fit. I don't even know where I want to put this thing, but I'm guessing somewhere like here, maybe? I have with the smallest one, which does 400 square feet, so it'll be perfect for this spot. All right, guys, I know a lot of you might be asking yourselves, first of all, Graham, what the heck are you doing? This is a cabin. You should be putting a fireplace in it. Or B, you know, isn't this kind of cheating, you know, putting a little mini split in? And my answer to you would be, I know, it would be incredible to put a fireplace in here. However, putting a fireplace in something requires more code, there's different stipulations and requirements if you do put something that burns wood to heat a place up. And it would be just way too difficult for me to get permits for that. Secondly, if this becomes a little spot where people can come hang out, friends and family, people rent it, whatever, you can't trust everybody to light a fire. It's just, people just don't know how to light fires these days, okay? Plus, I burn wood in my home, and cutting wood and having enough wood for all that stuff is just hard on my body as it is. Okay? Okay, I figured I'm gonna put it here. So obviously, what happened just now? I gotta see the replay on that.
I'm gonna put it here. So obviously, I'm gonna put it here. So obviously,
that was incredible. This is a spot to do it. People are gonna wonder, oh, but it looks off center, this and that, but after looking at this for a while, it's nice and high up off the ground. It's not in your kind of the view, and it doesn't disrupt the windows. So we're gonna go ahead and give it our all. Like this video if you're like me and can't quite get enough popcorn in your hand, and then you can't quite get enough popcorn in your mouth. And it's this fine balance where your hand and mouth meet each other in the matrix, but ultimately it's too late. It's all over. And kernels will hit the ground. Okay, let's just double check that we are in fact level. Okay. That's level. Okay. And this one. Oh boy. This is it, folks. There's no turning back. We did it. I'm going to drill a little pilot hole. Now that I've got my mark of where the hole saw is going. And then I'll finish the hole off from the other side. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Found the hole, but it's very hard to, oh yeah, this is, see this is gonna be tough. The trick is nice and easy. What the heck? Guys, that's not bad. It really isn't that bad. I don't know if my little knife will do it, but we'll try. Okay, come on. Nice and easy. That works. Heck yeah, baby. making a mistake? Probably. Yeah, just lift this up one-handed, no big deal. Okay. Perseverance, guys. You know what? Sometimes the going gets tough. But you know what? I don't know. Actually, I honestly don't know. Oh, I can't feel my arms. Okay. Oh, Graham. What is this? What is this you speak of? I don't know anything about anything. I don't know. I don't know this part. I don't freaking know what I'm doing here. Can't even see. Okay. Is that on there? I guess that's on there. Okay, let's just pretend it's on there. I mean, it's snapped nice. That's gotta be it. All right, guys. Well, a little bit of carnage down here. There ain't no way this thing is gonna fit in this thing. I can't get it to squeeze, so I just got frustrated and took it all down. Plan is I am going to mount it, sort of, the route I want. I'm gonna find a system to anchor it to the wall. Doop, doop, doop. And then I'm gonna build some kind of casing around it. It's the only way to do it. And I think it'll look better with the wood anyhow. We're not sure. Liz, this is a very important video. Oh my gosh, this thing is so quiet. You gotta be kidding me. I'm standing right in front of it. Can you guys hear that? It's so quiet. Guys, we did it! We almost gave up. We felt like we sucked. When I say we, I mean it is just me. I don't have any friends to help me. I don't have anyone around. Guys, this unit out here is so quiet. Like, what? That's awesome. Guys, this is so incredibly quiet. As you may or may not have realized, I had that PVC conduit line set covering thing. It barely fit, plus it's plastic, and even if I was to paint it, which I would probably have to do because it was white, this is Woodness goodness. Have I lost my mind? I can't put plastic on the side of my cedar, so I am going to engulf, or basically I'm going to wrap my line set with this pressure treated, and at that point I can decide whether or not to cover it with maybe some cedar shakes to match everything. But either way, it's gonna look better than the white for now. It's gonna be made of wood, and I'm gonna like it a lot more. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically put some pieces under the line set to give me some anchor points. And then I'm also going to put on the sides and then finally the top piece. I think it should be good. Be a lot better than this plastic garbage. Obviously the plastic looks fine on some people's places, but not the cabin. Let's do it. So quiet, it's awesome. Okay, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do here. Okay, because that coil has to stay. You can't shorten these coils or these line sets. So that stays there. I'm gonna do something, I don't know what yet. Gotta think about it. Don't want to rush into it. Again, I'm gonna beautify it. I just don't know exactly what I want to do. Because actually, if it's the wood color, it barely stands out. But if I was to paint it as the same color as the trim there, it might start to look a little odd. I still have to paint that trim. But it's looking pretty sweet. One might say, not bad. Not bad at all. We did it. We defied the laws of science and physics and replaced that plastic conduit cover line set thingy with wood. Looks pretty sweet, gotta say. Wasn't really prepared for this, but we made it work like we always do. All right guys, installing this Mr. Cool system, after doing it, yes, it was pretty straightforward. Although it is a little bit stressful because, well, you don't want to screw it up. It's a big ticket item. I think it costs around 1,200 bucks. Would I do Mr. Cool again? Absolutely. Like I said, it's very straightforward. It's extremely quiet, and from what I hear, I don't know the numbers yet because I just started running it, but apparently they're very efficient. It's super quiet on the inside of the cabin. You wouldn't even know that you have like a little split or HVAC system running, which I love. As always guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. We got ourselves heating and cooling in the cabin. We did it, can't believe it. If you made it this far, like I said, smash the like button, make sure you subscribe, and if you really want to get swagged out, check out the link in the description below and go to my Etsy shop where I just got these hats made. Better order quick because I've only made like 35 of them. So as soon as they're sold out, I guess I'm gonna have to make some more. Thanks for watching everybody. Peace.